Alright, let's get straight to the point. Bedbugs. Just the word makes my skin crawl. If you're watching this, you want them gone, like yesterday. Here's my step-by-step game plan. First up, let's confirm what we're dealing with. Bedbugs are small, flat, reddish-brown, about appleseed size. Check your mattress seams, check your box spring, check behind your headboard, look for little dark spots or shed skins. If you spot them, yep, it's bedbugs. Now don't panic, you can beat them, be thorough. Step 1, declutter. Bedbugs hide in piles of clothes, they hide in books, they hide in general clutter. Bag up your bedding, bag up clothes, bag up curtains, seal them tight. Next, laundry time. Wash on the hottest fabric-safe setting. Dry on high for at least 30 minutes. Heat is a bedbug's worst enemy. While laundry runs, grab a vacuum. Vacuum your mattress. Vacuum the bed frame. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum cracks in the walls. Vacuum baseboards. Go slow and steady. When done, seal the vacuum bag in plastic. Toss it outside. Trap stragglers. Use a mattress encasement. Use a box spring encasement. They seal bugs in so they can't escape or bite. They eventually starve. Next move options. Buy a bedbug-proof spray from the store. Make sure it's labeled for mattresses. Use it exactly as directed. Safety first. Wear gloves. Open windows. Keep pets and kids out until everything's dry. Treat cracks, treat crevices, treat furniture joints, that's where they hide. Repeat treatments weekly for a month. Bedbug eggs can survive the first round. Persistence is key. If it's too much or bites continue after a month, call the pros. Exterminators offer heavy-duty heat treatments. They can wipe out severe infestations. Prevention. Keep your bed pulled away from the wall. Check luggage after trips. Vacuum regularly.